Alright guys, this is a CGI AI video. We are going to be testing our cars and seeing how we can really drive with them, if you guys know. But we got a TL right here. We got a big body Lexus right here. We just came out of class and shit. Y'all see the interior? See that shit? You too. Y'all want to hear the pops and shit? What the fuck?
Alright. Okay, we out.
That shit not popping.
Yo, chill.
Wait. We out? You want to lead? Pull. We out? We out, nigga. Come on, we out. Lead. Man, you too. Hold on, you too.
Niggas know we got history. That's why I'm watching. Can't let them get to me. Big G2 taking over like. Big G2 taking over like.
Man, we got that GoPro on, as y'all can see. Late night POV. Y'all never seen this shit before.
He was scared when I ran in the Gotti. This nigga don't think I got my car. love? Like, why is you wasting my time? KR, the bitches, they love me. Like I'm the biggest, nobody above me. They try to do all the shit that I do. I'm still official despite all the money. Love you or not, said I won't leave you a couple of times, even know that I will. Lying to me when you talk, would you still be here if I ever do? Giving my heart to a bitch, I swear that shit a dumb, now I'm keeping it sealed. Like, I wanna take her out, she keep on thinking I'm just trying to kill.
Yes, I do, and then you wanna go to Miami and then just disappear, but...
How about you coming?
God, where the fuck is you going? Why would you leave without saying goodbye? God. We got booked with the knives, came out same day. We don't play.